If you sell print-on-demand products, you likely spend hours stuck manually clicking through uploads, formatting images, and pasting descriptions. It is now possible to replace that manual labor with an autonomous system that pushes hundreds of optimized listings live without your intervention. Today, we are going to build a completely hands-off print-on-demand pipeline, a system that takes a single idea, researches the demand, generates the product mockups, and publishes the listing on its own. To build this, we need 4 specific software nodes connected in a single sequence: a market research extension, a bulk mockup generator, an integration platform like Make or Zapier to connect the data, and your active e-commerce storefront. Once these 4 pieces are locked together, the seller's role changes. Instead of performing daily data entry, you focus on the logic and strategy of the entire business chain. Step 1 is market validation. Feeding untested ideas into an automated system simply scales failure. You need to know people are actively searching for a product before generating variations of it. This diagram shows what happens when we use a research tool to overlay estimated revenue data directly onto our search results. Instead of guessing what buyers want, we can see exactly what existing listings are already earning. From here, we scan for items that hit a specific mathematical ratio: high monthly search volume combined with low seller competition. Running this quantitative check ensures that every concept we push into our automation pipeline already has an established, hungry buyer base waiting for it. Once we have a validated concept, we move to the visual phase. In a crowded marketplace, buyers click on high-quality, professional lifestyle imagery. Instead of creating these one at a time, we take a single master design file using a bulk mockup tool. That file is mapped simultaneously across blank product templates, shirts, mugs, and canvases. We feed a text prompt into the AI background generator. The wireframes instantly populate with fully rendered, matching lifestyle environments fitting your brand aesthetic. Do not rely on the generic stock mockups every other seller uses. The algorithm buries listings that look identical to 1,000 others. Visual differentiation is how you survive the search filter. Automating this step eliminates the biggest bottleneck in print-on-demand. You turn one isolated design into a full, market-ready visual catalog in seconds. Now we connect the software tools together so the data flows without our input. We use an integration platform as the central nervous system to string these standalone tools into one sequence. We start by configuring an active trigger node. This module constantly watches your cloud drive or design folder. The moment a new master design hits that folder, the sequence starts. Next, we map the pipeline so it routes that file directly into our bulk mockup generator. The system automatically applies the mapping rules and background prompts we set up earlier. Finally, the sequence pushes the combined assets, the design, the mockups, and the pricing data, straight to your live e-commerce storefront. Before you leave it running, use the platform's visual debugger. Send a single test file through the nodes to ensure every piece of data lands in the correct field. A successful connection takes a fragmented, manual chore and turns it all into a seamless, continuous chain of execution. The final stage of the pipeline ensures the listings we just published are actually visible to buyers and legal on the storefront. We configure our integration to build compound SEO titles. By stringing multiple descriptive phrases together automatically, a single listing captures a wide net of long-tail search queries. But visibility doesn't matter if your store gets banned. Major platforms now enforce strict policy requirements regarding the disclosure of AI-generated artwork and mockups. Look at this description field. You must include a clear disclosure statement explaining that AI tools were used in the creative process. You also need to verify that your item status is officially tagged as designed by a seller. Skipping this step triggers automated takedowns. If the platform flags undeclared AI content, you risk the permanent closure of your store. Setting up these automated SEO tags and compliance disclosures acts as a shield, protecting your automated revenue stream from algorithmic penalties. You now have a validated concept that flows into a bulk visual generator travels through an integration platform, and publishes to your store with compliant, search-optimized tags. Because this pipeline runs continuously in the background, your catalog grows rapidly. The system populates the storefront with hundreds of unique listings across multiple product categories without the need for manual data entry. Building this system buys back your time. It automates the repetitive daily tasks, allowing you to manage the growth and direction of a digital retail network rather than creating single products manually.